Hey guys, today we are in Volkswagen Golf MK7 and I'm going to show you how to change the old interior lights menu to the new one. So the old one looks like this. Go to car, go to settings, scroll down to lights, and over here scroll down to those sliders. You have the dashboard background lights, you have the front background lights, door background lights, and footwell lights. So we have footwells, we have door trims, and we have the front, which is the cup holder over here. I've retrofitted all three of those, so you can check videos about this, and this. Those will be linked in the description below this video. But right now, let's change this old menu with sliders to the new one. What I'm going to do is use OBDeleven PRO license, which is over here. The OBD2 dongle is already connected. OBDeleven dongle is already connected to the vehicle, and the app is connected with the vehicle as well. And I'm going to enter a list of all modules, and over here we are looking for looking for module 09 central electrics, which is also called BCM, body control module. And in this module we are looking for adaptation, and in adaptation we are looking for interior light configuration, if I'm not mistaken. And somewhere over here we have two options which we want to enable: Ambientemenue mit globalem aus and Ambientemenue mit alle Zonen. So this is ambient lighting menu with all zones off, and ambient menu with all zones control at the same time. So let's do this activation, switch both to active. If you are asked about the security access code, select the 31347. If you are using VCDS, you should go first to the security access, enter this code, and then change the adaptation. Okay, and right now, when the adaptation is done, we should already see some change over here, but that's not everything. So first of all, if we go to lights, right now we will have just the instrument switch lights slider. Those three other are gone. So let's go here, and we have new menu over here which is called background lighting. And over here we have those two cogs or suns, but we don't have the the vehicle image in the background. So there's an easy way to fix this. If you don't have this, well, what you should do, go back over here to list of all modules, and we are looking for module 5F, which is the main unit of the infotainment system. So the thing in the glove box that looks like a CD changer. And over here go to long coding, and in my case this is set to Volkswagen Golf MK7 variant, estate, combi, and pre-facelift. So let's change it from 0 to 1 over here to facelift. So the supplement will be changed from 0 to 1, slide to right. Okay, and right now if we go, for example, to let's go to driving data, we should see that the vehicle image over here is right now from the facelift model, as well as over here the lights are facelift, bumper is facelift. And if we go to climatronic menu, interior over here is also from the facelift vehicle. We can see it from the infotainment display over here, how it looks. And right now if we go to car settings, scroll down to background lighting, you can see that we have the image, and we have those two cogs, those two suns that control brightness of footwells and doors. Well, there's no control for the cup holder over here. That's because Golf never came with this. So what you would have to do right now is either recode your MIB unit to a different vehicle, like Passat or Adaptation or something else which was available with those lights. But well, you will have image of a different vehicle over here which will trigger your OCD, or you can access the file system over here and adjust a couple things, change some config files to add this third sun or cog somewhere over here to gain these controls. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.